Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm here to show you this 05 Ford F-550 we have for sale. It's a V10 gas engine. It's got 140,000 miles. It's got the maintainer bed with a maintainer 115 crane. It has a Miller Trailblazer welder, and it has a Ingersoll and Rand air compressor hydraulic. I'm gonna walk around and show it to you. It's a really nice truck. Got a nice set of tires. One-owner truck. It belonged to Union Pacific Railroad. Hydraulic outriggers. It's your air hose and reel. This is where you work your outriggers. I'll show those to you. Tons of storage space for tools and whatever. This is a control panel for your lights and your air compressor. Welding leads. Place for your tanks, for your welder. Tires. Set the PPO on. You can kind of get out. Start the welder up first. turn your PTO off inside the truck and you'll be set. Alright, again, it's a 05 F-550 two-wheel drive V10. It's got 140,000 miles. It's got the maintainer bed, which is the best body on the market. Miller 275 welder, Ingersoll and Wren hydraulic air compressor. It's a really nice truck. Get a dent at the bottom of that cab corner. Saw that. Got your welding leads. If you're interested, give us a call, 256-310-6852 or 256-624-6510. Our website's heavymetaltrucks.com. Don't wait around. These trucks with welders and cranes and compressors, they don't last long, especially with this equipment with a maintainer box, which is the best one. Really nice box. All right. Thank you for watching.